Welcome to the chapter Arithmetic Progression. The topic is the nth term of an AP. Let term 1 is A and the common difference is D. So term 2 will be term 2 is term 1 plus the common difference. The term 1 we know it is A plus the common difference D. Term 3 equals term 2 plus the common difference. So term 2, that is A plus D, that is A plus D, plus the common difference. So it becomes A plus 2 times D. When we see the term 3, so it is 2 times D here. So we can write A plus 3 minus 1 into D. Let us see how to find term 4. So term 4 is term 3 plus the common difference. Term 3 is A plus 2D plus the common difference. So it becomes A plus 3D, which means A plus 4 minus 1 into D. So let us say, so term 5, according to this we can write, so A plus 5 minus 1 into D means A plus 4D. So then, what is the nth term of an AP, AN? AN is A plus, here N, so N minus 1 into D. So calculating the nth term of an AP is A plus N minus 1 into D. Let's see one example. Choose the correct option in the following. 30th term of the AP 10, 7, 4, etc. is. Here the term 1, so A is 10 and the common difference D is equals to term 2 minus term 1. So term 2 is 7 minus term 1 is 10, so which gives minus 3 as a common difference. We have to calculate 30th term. So we need to know AN is A plus N minus 1 into D. Use the formula AN equals A plus N minus 1 into D. So we should write A30 because we have to find 30th term. A is here 10 plus 30 minus 1 into minus 3 equals 10 plus 29 into minus 3, which gives 10 plus minus 87. So the answer is minus 77. Let us see the options. Option A, B and C. So C is the option correct one, minus 77.